Introduction. In today's video, we're diving into the secrets that top CEOs know about money and how these insights can transform your financial journey. We'll explore powerful financial strategies that successful leaders use to build wealth, manage risks, and make informed investment decisions. By understanding these principles, you can elevate your financial literacy and take control of your financial future. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or simply looking to improve your money management skills, this video is packed with engaging and informative content. Get ready to uncover unique insights from the world's most successful CEOs and learn how you can apply their strategies to achieve your own financial success. Understanding financial literacy. Financial literacy is a crucial skill that significantly impacts decision-making and business growth among top CEOs. Leaders who possess a strong understanding of financial concepts are better equipped to make strategic choices that drive their companies forward. For instance, CEOs like Warren Buffett and Jamie Dimon prioritize financial education, using their knowledge to navigate complex markets and seize opportunities. Their success stories highlight the importance of being financially savvy in today's competitive landscape. By enhancing your own financial knowledge, you can improve your decision-making skills and set yourself up for success. Join us as we explore how investing in financial literacy can empower you to achieve your personal and professional goals. Investment strategies. Successful CEOs often employ a variety of investment strategies that contribute to their wealth-building efforts. Many favor stocks and real estate, recognizing these assets as powerful vehicles for growth. For instance, CEOs like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos have made significant investments in technology and real estate, showcasing their belief in these sectors' potential. Diversification is another key principle they embrace, as spreading investments across different asset classes helps mitigate risk and enhance returns. By diversifying their portfolios, these leaders can weather market fluctuations while maximizing opportunities for growth. In this section, we'll delve deeper into the investment strategies that have propelled these CEOs to financial success and how you can apply them in your own journey. Risk management. Top CEOs understand that effective risk management is essential for making sound financial decisions. They recognize the delicate balance between risk and reward in business investments, knowing that higher potential returns often come with increased risk. Successful leaders employ various strategies to mitigate financial risks, such as conducting thorough market research, diversifying their portfolios, and setting clear investment limits. For example, CEOs like Tim Cook and Satya Nadella emphasize the importance of data-driven decision-making to minimize uncertainties. As you watch this section, consider assessing your own risk tolerance. Understanding how much risk you're willing to take can empower you to make informed investment choices that align with your financial goals. Networking and relationships. Networking plays a pivotal role in the financial success of top CEOs. Building strong relationships can lead to lucrative opportunities, whether through partnerships, investments, or valuable insights. For instance, CEOs like Richard Branson and Sheryl Sandberg leverage their extensive networks to access resources and collaborate on innovative projects, significantly enhancing their financial prospects. These connections often open doors to new markets and investment opportunities that might otherwise remain out of reach. As you watch this section, consider the importance of cultivating your own professional connections. By actively engaging with others in your industry, you can create a network that supports your financial goals and propels you towards success. Continuous learning. Continuous learning is vital for effective financial management, especially among top CEOs. These leaders stay updated on financial trends and market changes by actively seeking knowledge and adapting to new information. They often turn to resources like books, online courses, and seminars to enhance their financial education. For example, many successful CEOs recommend reading influential finance books or attending industry conferences to gain insights from experts. As you watch this section, consider the importance of committing to lifelong learning in finance. By prioritizing your education and staying informed, you can make better financial decisions and position yourself for long-term success in an ever-evolving financial landscape. Conclusion. In this video, We explored the essential financial strategies that top CEOs utilize to achieve success. We discussed the importance of financial literacy, effective investment strategies, risk management, and the power of networking. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in shaping their financial decisions and driving business growth. As you embark on your own financial journey, we encourage you to apply these insights and strategies to enhance your financial well-being. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe, like, and share this video with others who may benefit. Together, we can foster a community dedicated to financial education and success. Thank you for watching.